Hello there, how are you guys? Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make a superb, a wonderful, beautiful salad that you would make if you had company coming over or you wanted to just treat your family to a special, delightful, supreme salad. Oh, you're going to like this. And you know what? I'm going to have this in the place of a traditional meal tonight. And why not? It is going to have everything that you need for a meal. So let's do it. Okay? Except for no starch. Alright, let's do it. Please, give it a thumbs up right now. Go ahead, hit that button, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so let me introduce to you all the items we have to make our salad. This is spinach, baby spinach that I cut up. Sliced cucumbers. 1 chicken breast I cut up. Onions. The purple onions. Red peppers. Oranges. See, we have our fruit. Sliced tomatoes. This is 1 large tomato cut up. Shredded carrots. And a Mexican blend cheese. And for our topping, we're going to do honey mustard. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get you a nice big plate or tray or platter. Okay? So this is what I'm using. And what you want to do is you want to make the colors, make your eye move around, okay? So let's start out right out the bat. I'm actually going to work from the middle to the left and then to the right. So you see I want to make sure you see, so let me move that. I'm putting the spinach down the middle. I want to kind of push it all together. There we go. So we have our spinach, okay? Now let's come right along that spinach with some carrots. You want to keep it close together. Look at that. So you see where I'm going with this color. Oh, please make sure you stay to the end. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Okay, so now let's go on this side. We're going to start lining up our tomatoes. I cut the slices and then I cut them in half. So I'm just going to run that right down like that. And let me show you that. Okay, looking pretty good so far, right? Okay, so now I want to do another line of spinach. If you don't want to use spinach, you can use lettuce. That's entirely up to you. Okay. Putting some more carrots there because the spinach kind of was covering it. And I want to make sure you see it. You know, this here could make some kids really eat because it looks really good, you know. Or some adults. Okay. Now, I want some spinach on this side of the tomatoes. And let me show you so far. Okay? Alright, so now I have some mushrooms, and I want to tell you the name of the mushrooms because I buy these different types of mushrooms, and I'm always asked what kind is it. The name of these mushrooms is Enoki, E-N-O-K-I mushrooms. E-N-O-K-I mushrooms. Okay. So they're kind of long and stringy, and it has like a ball on the end. Let me show you the ball. Different, right? Okay, so I want to put some right there. And I want to put some right there. Okay. Now we have our cucumbers and our chicken. So the cucumbers, I think I want to put them right along the side here. Whoops. On the edge. Okay. Okay, so let me show you how we're looking so far. Okay. Okay, so now I have the chicken that I want to put on each end. And this is one chicken breast that I boiled. Okay. Now, we have the onions and the red peppers left. Let's put some onions right around that cucumber. I'm going to show you so far what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. And you know, it's your design, so you can do it any kind of way you like. Maybe I want to reposition the mushrooms. I'm not satisfied with that position. Yeah, I want to put them on the end here because it was hiding the nice carrots. Okay. Now we gotta have some red peppers. Okay. And now I have to figure out where the oranges are gonna go. So you can see you make it your own creation. Look at that, guys. Can you imagine? Just bring that to the table. How about that, huh? Okay. And now I have my cheese. This is the last thing I need to add. I think I want to put the cheese right along the top of the red peppers. So when you pick up that chicken, there will be the cheese. There you go, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow. What do they call it? I don't know. I'm going to call it a mega salad. Maybe I called it that. I don't remember. But we're going to call it that right now. A mega salad. Okay, guys, I am gonna take and make me a salad and taste it for you, okay? Oh, I can't wait. It looks so good. I'll be right back. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is you don't always have to cook a meal that has the meat and the starch and the vegetable. You can mix it up because your stomach doesn't really object one way or the other. But your health will appreciate you having a lighter meal sometimes because, you know, we need to learn to eat healthy as well as some of the things that we like. So the word of the day, eat healthy. And this is a healthy, super mega salad, guys. Okay. So I have my plate here. Let me show you. With my honey mustard salad dressing on it. So I have some carrots here and chicken. cucumber, spinach, fresh, crunchy tomato, I'm dying to try this mushroom. Okay, tastes like a mushroom. Let me cut the pepper. Oh, so fresh and good, guys. You'll love it. Orange. That's all we need. Really good. So the next time you don't really feel like cooking a lot, make a super salad. How about that, huh? Okay, and you probably have a lot of this stuff in your house already. Okay, Grandma Ray loves you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, would you? Share the video and subscribe. Talk to you.